Okay, students, let us begin our class today, in which I am going to solve some questions from exercise 1.5 from your chapter number 1 of mathematics book. Question reads, classify the following as rational or irrational. Here are subparts of question number 1. Look at question number 1. It is reading 2 minus root 5. As you know, 2 is a rational number and minus root 5 is an irrational number. So 2 minus root 5 altogether is an irrational number. Irrational number. Look at the second expression, which can be solved further as 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So the plus expression and the minus expression, they are equal in magnitude, so cancel each other. Answer is 3, which is a rational number. 2 upon root 7, 7 upon root 7. So here you see root 7 and root 7 can be cancelled. So your number is equal to 2 by 7, which is a perfect form of a rational number. 1 upon root 2 is an irrational number. These two are the perfect examples to show that any expression which is written in the form P upon Q, here also the expression is of the form P upon Q, cannot be a rational or an irrational forever. You have to simplify the expression and then decide. See here, in the beginning it was an irrational divided by an irrational, but the ultimate answer is a rational number. Look in the second part. 1 upon root 2, 1 is a rational number divided by root 2, an irrational number, and the answer is an irrational number. What about 2 pi? Pi is an irrational number, and 2 multiplied with an irrational number, that is a rational multiplied with an irrational number, answer is an irrational number. Okay, here comes the second question. Simplify the following expressions. In the first attempt, you will try to identify what type of number is available in each question. See the first number, an irrational multiplied with an irrational number. Second, an irrational multiplied with an irrational. Third, an irrational number and we are squaring it. Fourth, an irrational number multiplied with an irrational number. And let us now find out the result of multiplication of an irrational number with an irrational number. As you all know, bracket stands for multiplication. So start multiplying. 3 multiplies this bracket. So this can be written as 3 multiplying the quantities in this bracket. In the first step, this expression root 3 to be multiplied with 2 plus root 2. Further, 3 multiplies 2 as well as 3 multiplies root 2. So 3 2s are 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Root 6 is an irrational number. Root 3 multiplied with 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 multiplied with 3 is an irrational number. 6 is a rational number. Different rational, this is a different rational, this is a different rational, this is a different rational. So your final outcome is no change. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6 is your answer. Look at the second one. If you can recall, there is an identity which reads like this: a plus b when multiplied with a minus b, and expression goes finally as a square minus b square. So choice is yours. You can do it by the first method, by the direct multiplication, or by the use of this identity. So this time I am using the identity. 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3 can be simplified to 3 square minus root 3 whole square, which is further simplified as 3 square is 9 minus root 3 square is 3. So your answer is 6, which is a rational number. Okay, now come to the third part. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Choice is yours. You can apply this identity. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, or you can multiply by the simple multiplication method. I am applying the identity. So root 5 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. Simplify. This is 5 plus 2 plus 2 root 10. So your answer is 7 plus 2 root 10, which is an irrational number. Okay, answer. Now see the fourth part. Again, the use of similar identity. Apply the identity. A plus b into a minus b is always equals to a square plus b square. So this can be written as root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Simplify. 5 minus 2, which is 3, which is a rational number. So this is your final answer. So now children, you may be having some doubt regarding a certain kind of multiplication. For example, root 5 whole square. Root 5 whole square is root 5 into root 5. Another expression which is always equals to 5. Root 2 into say root 3. So that will be written as under the root when they are under the same square root sign, they can be multiplied together. So this is root 6. How all this is happening, we shall be more clear when we will be learning in the next topic about the exponents and the laws of exponents. So till then you memorize these facts and apply in solving the questions. So in question number 2 we have solved that how to simplify the given expressions, and when they are multiplied the answer can be an irrational number in the first case. In the second case it is rational, third case it is irrational, and the fourth case it is rational. Okay.